In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign up for GitLab. Whether you're a developer looking to manage your projects or a newcomer eager to explore the world of version control, setting up a GitLab account is your gateway to a powerful repository management system. So, let's dive in step by step to get you started on your GitLab journey. First things first, open your web browser and head over to the official GitLab signup page. Once you're there, you'll notice a variety of convenient signup options. GitLab offers flexibility here, allowing you to register using an email address or by linking your account through services such as Google, GitHub, Bitbucket, or through SAML. SSO. Perfect if your organization provides these options. Choose the method that best suits your needs. If you opt for the email registration method, you'll need to enter specific details. Start by creating a unique username, as this will become a part of your identity on GitLab. Next, enter your email address. This should be an email that you regularly use, as it will be crucial for account verification. Then, set a strong password that adheres to any specified security guidelines to keep your account secure. Once you've entered all the necessary details, GitLab will send a verification email to your provided address. Check your inbox and, if necessary, your spam folder just in case it landed there. Open the email from GitLab and click on the confirmation link. This step is crucial as it verifies your identity and activates your account. After your email is verified, it's time to complete your profile. You're now on the path to customizing your GitLab experience. Start with entering your full name. This will help collaborators identify you more easily. You'll also be prompted to set some of your preferences. Take a moment to consider how you'd like to use GitLab, whether for personal projects or team collaborations. Next, decide on the type of features you want access to. GitLab offers both free and paid options. If you're just starting or working on personal projects, you might want to begin with the free features. However, if you anticipate needing advanced capabilities, exploring the paid options could be beneficial. With everything set up, you are now ready to start using GitLab. Begin by creating repositories for your projects, where you can host and manage your code. If you're familiar with Git, you can push your code directly to these repositories. GitLab also boasts a robust set of continuous integration and continuous deployment, or CI/CD pipelines to streamline your development process. Lastly, GitLab is built for collaboration, making it easy to work seamlessly with teams. Invite your team members to join your projects, and utilize GitLab's features to synchronize your development workflows. And that's it. You are all set to unlock the full potential of GitLab. Thank you for joining me in this tutorial. Happy coding.